Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to come in and just clean this room with you guys because it's a mess. My bedroom is a mess. I won't lie to you, it's a mess. I had a hectic weekend. And yesterday, it was Sunday, I was tired. Yo guys, I was out. So I was planning on cleaning my room yesterday, but like today I'm like let me just clean it today. So today is Monday. I didn't go anywhere. My daughter didn't go to school. Guys, we woke up load shedding things, and on my side, when there's load shedding, there's no water. There's small water coming out on the outside. What is this thing? Outside tap. But today I wasn't feeling like being the super mom that I'm. You know what? I'm like, I don't want to do this mommy thing today. My daughter's not going to school. We are staying in. We'll be strong. So I'm like, let me come in since I'm about to clean my room because it's a mess. It's a mess. So I'm like, let me come in and say hi. Welcome to my channel. Anyways, let me show you guys how this room looks like. Don't judge me. Okay. So let's clean this room together, and then yeah, I will see you guys when I end the video.
so soon.
On this part of the video, we can already tell who messes up the mirror. I decided to switch on my candles. These candles smell like vanilla. That's the kind of smell I like for my room. If you like these candles, you can get them at Woolworths. But anyways, the room is clean, the room smells nice, and that is what I want. That is it, honey. So the room is clean. I'm satisfied. I realized that my room wasn't dirty. Actually, it had a lot of clothes. That was all. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed and you're still watching till now, please click that subscribe button so you can join the Lani family. And to all the Lani family, thank you so much for returning. Now I'm about to do the laundry. But yeah, all is well. Thank you so much for for cleaning my room with me. I will see you guys on my next video, but for now, peace and love. Bye.